Guys, welcome to Peace Platter Please. My name is Peace and I teach you everything food, drinks, baking and lots more on this channel. So endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. So this is how to make your chapman for parties. So here I'm using NBC Excel orange juice. I prefer this orange juice to Fanta because it gives me that chapman taste. If you haven't tried this before, please endeavor to try it, and I tell you, you'll love it. So I just poured all the contents of the orange juice, and here I'm going in with my sprite. So the list of ingredients is in the description box below the video, so you just want to check that out and then can get the accurate measurement. So next I go with my Grenadine syrup. I use about a cup and a quarter for this. Yes, this is what gives it that vibrant red rich color, and this makes your chapman go to a new level, a whole new level. Yeah, you want to try this out. Then I go with my ice block, or your eyes, whatever you call it in your country. You just want to stir this all together so the ingredient gets to marry each other. And then I go with my lemon juice. Yes, I prefer to squeeze in lemon and then pour in the juice because it gives it a whole new taste. My dear, you want to try this. So you can have this done by the little ones. I had my nieces, they were the ones who did this and they really loved it. So refrigerate this for 1 hour or overnight and enjoy. Thank you guys. Bye.